Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do some excitement and fun with my sweet subscribers and new viewers. So if you are new viewer, please subscribe my YouTube channel and you will be added to my sweet list. So here you can see we can try apps without installing. So here I'm going to play it. Training camp, you and the trainer enemy. So here I got a commanded fight. I am leaving my troops to fight with the enemies. So here you can see it's very easy to use and easy to play this game. If you like this game, you can install it. It's just for enjoyment and to check that game. Okay, here you can see I'm attacking. Yeah, I have destroyed it. We come back and I'm going to show the different apps that we can try it for free without installing. So here click on panda pop. Try it now. Okay, it's loading. Wait for loading. It takes several minutes. So Jam City. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's play. There you go. So it's very easy and quick to play. Here you can see it just requires some mind. Yep. Here you can see it's too easy. Here you can see below the line that install. If you like this game, you should install it. Yeah. And here we have finished the level. Here you can see you win. Okay, come back. Hey, congratulations, you have completed the level 1. 36,950 score. Okay, make it and come to the Playstore to use different apps. Here you can see Candy Crush Saga. You can try it also. It's very popular game. Puzzle game. So it's loading. Wait. Here you can see it's powered by King. Okay, come back. Okay, now I'm going to show another free apps to try for free. So here, Bubble Witch Tree Saga, you can try it. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.